Talk about a movie that really sticks with you that you just don't forget. Bella Mafia. We have Vanessa Redgrave, and we have an actress like Jennifer Tilly. Yes, Jennifer Tilly. This is called Bella Mafia, and spoiler alert, do not listen to this if you do not want to know the ending or what happens throughout the movie. I'll give you just a second to mute me. Okay, in Bella Mafia, this girl has had an affair. She's poor, and she's had an affair with one of the boys of the mob father in Italy. And he dies or is killed before he can ask to marry her. And so she comes to the house and gets hit by the car from his twin brother. And she ends up living with them. The twin brother falls in love with her. She marries him. And the baby she had given up for adoption. And right here in this clip, you see it. That's the baby she gave up for adoption. Never knew what happened to it. The other warring family had adopted this boy, and she ended up murdering her own son. Bella Mafia. Who does not love a good John Waters movie? You know, like Hairspray, or Female Trouble, or Pink Flamingos. And especially anything with the actress Divine. Well, this is Lust in the Dust, and it is on Tubi right now, and it is hilarious. It is a laugh a minute. We have Tab Hunter, we have Divine. What could be better? Now, spoiler alert, if you do not want to hear how this movie goes, press the mute button now. Okay, so Divine is traveling to this little town because she has heard about a buried treasure. And she's trying to find fame and riches. And there is a riddle to be solved to find this buried treasure. And come to find out, the owner of the bar that she's been having so much conflict with is her sister. And the map is tattooed on both of their behinds. So yes, watch this. Lust in the Dust. This movie features Hilary Mason and Carolyn Purdy Gordon. And it's one of those movies that if you watch it, it kind of grows on you. I've watched this a few times over the years. It's called Dolls, and it was made in 1987. And it's one of those really campy horror movies. It's almost a comedy in today's world because horror movies are so much more violent and so much more gory than this. But this has always been one of my favorite classic horror movies. And like I said, it's very campy. But who doesn't like a good camp out every now and then? Grab yourself some popcorn and some Coke Zero, jump into bed, turn the lights off, and put this movie on. It's called Dolls from 1987. And I promise you, it will grow on you.